Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and preparing hardware. Check Pixhawk firmware version and GPS protocol, uBlocks and me. Next, power off the system and orient the connector so pins match ground, TX, RX, and power. Once done, route the GPS cable to the Pixhawk GPS port, securing it to avoid stress. Make sure you use the telemetry or dedicated GPS header, not a random UART. This prevents reversed pins and immediate failures. Connecting correctly now saves debugging later. With hardware linked, you now verify serial wiring and supply. Wire GPS TX to Pixhawk RX and GPS RX to Pixhawk TX, secure ground common. Then enable GPS power either from the Pixhawk 5V pin or an appropriate external regulator. This avoids undervoltage. Once powered, boot the flight controller and open Mission Planner or Q Ground Control. Navigate to serial ports, choose the GPS UART, set the correct protocol, uBlock/NME, and baud rate, then save and reboot so parameter changes take effect. To finish, confirm the GPS acquires satellites and provides a valid fix. Watch HDOP and fix type values in your ground station. Then run compass calibration and set the EKF origin or home position to ensure navigation accuracy. Once confirmed, test position, hold, and basic GPS-dependent functions in a safe area. If things go wrong, check baud rate, swapped TX/RX, insufficient power, or obstructed antenna placement. These are the most common failures and usually resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.